Hi DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to be going over, should I use a motion sensor or a glass break sensor in my home? Main thing that is different between the two is that the glass break obviously is listening for glass break sounds. If you have an audible one like this, there are shock sensors where you place directly on the window where it picks up the vibration of the glass breaking. This one is an audible one, so it doesn't go directly on the window. Essentially where you would mount this is either on a ceiling or on a wall opposite of the windows. This can pick up a sound of glass breaking for about 25 feet. That's kind of the max range on it. Anything past that, you're kind of testing it a little bit. 25 feet is your max. Obviously you can detect anything closer. Main reason you're going to want a glass break, if anyone can get into a door, get into a window without opening it, they're likely breaking the glass or using a cutter. Cutter is obviously a little bit more rare unless you're in a very, I suppose, wealthy area where someone's going to have that much time and resources to try to break into the home. Normally people are going to take a rock, take a crowbar, shatter the glass, walk right in. Now if you shatter a glass and walk right in, obviously door sensors are kind of out the window, they don't pick you up. The glass break is going to be listening for two tones for that glass. The first tone is a low thud, so someone hitting the glass with the object, their fist, hand, elbow, crowbar, rock, anything like that. The second sound is a high pitch of the actual glass breaking itself. Once this device picks up both of those tones, it sets off the alarm and sets off basically signals to Central Station if you have it set up, or to Total Connect 2.0 if you have that set up. That's going to notify you the glass break has been detected. The alarm will be sounding, the burglar should be scared by the alarm and hopefully leaves, and then that's pretty much good on the glass break. It's done its job and you've protected your home. For the motion, similar idea but much different. So obviously motion isn't going to be listening for anything. All the motion does is look. It's looking for heat signatures either passing it or going towards it. It's better if it's passing it, because if it picks it up going by it, it's hitting multiple areas of detection and gives you a higher likelihood that the motion is going to pick it up and set the alarm off. Now, similar idea. So say if someone breaks into a window, breaks into like a sliding glass door without opening it, the door sensors aren't going to do much because they're not detecting a door or window being open. They have no clue what's going on. Someone can just walk right in. When they walk right in, motion detector picks them up. It doesn't matter if a door was open prior, it doesn't matter anything like that. As long as your system is set to arm away, your motion will be active and it's going to pick up any heat signature or movement within the home, no matter if a door or window was open before, or if you have or have not had a glass break that's detecting the same sound of the glass breaking. The motion has a range of about 35 feet looking forward and about 20 feet width. So from here to there, 20 feet, back and forth, about 35 feet. As mentioned, the glass break has about a 25-foot radius for listening for the glass breaking. With this, as mentioned as well, you also want to set it up where it's in an area where if someone does pass it, they're walking by it. I'm not sure if you can see this, but on the side here, this is kind of like the range of how the motion sees. Here's the motion, here's it's going out. As you can see, it has these multiple lines. So that's what I'm meaning by if someone's walking by this, they're hitting multiple areas of detection. Definitely going to get this to pick it up. If you're walking straight towards it, it can still pick you up, but you can see it's going over a lot less areas of protection. So it's possible it could miss it. Depends on the sensitivity of the motion, to be honest. If you are interested in learning more about the motions or the glass breaks, we do have more material on our website, www.alarmgrid.com. And if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon up there so you can get notified if we've released any more content about the motions, glass breaks, or any other security devices. Thank you very much and have a good day.